Welcome to Painting with Jess, everyone. Today I'll be talking about how to find your painting style. Your painting style will be the way you interpret things or places you paint, the way you express yourself through techniques and colors, and what you choose to paint as well. Your painting style expresses your individuality and your unique painting process. Style evolves over time. My style has changed a few times since I started painting in 2025. You can practice your version of other artists' works only to try new techniques and broaden your experience. I seem to really connect with impressionistic paintings. You can continue also with a style that gives you joy. This will be your style and doesn't have to fit into anyone's idea of what looks good to them, but rather what you feel is genuinely you. Paint things you know or places you've been, whether realistic or abstract or impressionistic. Paint often and when you feel the pull to create. I paint when I feel really creative. This makes my journey satisfying. Your painting style makes you love the results and enjoy the process. Your style will emerge with time and doing many paintings. Small to medium size is best to try different techniques. You need to be open to try things you may not be comfortable with or confident in, and use colors you don't always use. Techniques that are new to you, and try acrylic or watercolor or oil paint. To develop your unique painting style, number 1, it's the way you express yourself. Number 2, practice many types of painting and techniques to find out what brings you joy. Number 3, share your experiences in your paintings. For example, if you live in a beautiful area of the world, paint that if you want to. Number 4, express yourself through color. Number 5, paint often and when you're feeling creative. I often paint during the night because I feel the world is calm and quiet at this time. Number 6, try different techniques and different types of painting. And number 7, create what makes you happy and gives you your best effort, and you may be surprised to see the results. Happy painting, everyone.